Hello, David here, and the project for today is to open and review a new DVD player. It's made by a company called Roofull, Roofull. Never heard of it before. I found it on Amazon, and I could put the link to it down in the description. And it is made in communist China. Let's see what you get. The reason why I bought this is because the DVD player on my laptop died. And my new laptop doesn't have a DVD player. Okay, so we got a cord. Got a very nice padded case. The pads have got some type of bubble wrap type of case with a zippered closure. Got some handy tips. Got a user manual. Written in English, I like it. Here's the drive. Got a protective plastic on the front. Hub 1, Hub 2, DC 5 volt, micro PC. Don't know what that means. Let me read the directions. Whoops, I missed a cable. Okay, that looks like the power cable. Okay, prepare a media player such as a VLC player, burning or ripping software before reading, writing, digitizing your CDs and DVDs. Find the data cable, not the power cord, and plug it into your computer's USB port. Remove your USB hub first. Insert your CDs or DVDs and wait seconds. Your computer should detect this drive and your disk, and you can now see a DVD drive icon. If you want to play video DVDs, please confirm the region code. For Mac, it will pop up a window. Set the code to number 1. For Windows, right-click the drive icon, select Properties, open the Hardware tab, select the name of the DVD drive, and at the bottom, do Properties. Click the DVD region tab, select number 1. Use Media Player or burning software to read or write your disk. Detailed steps can be found by scanning the QR code. If your device is working properly, you could contact the company and get an additional 2-year free warranty if you're in the US or Canada only, but you got to give them your Amazon order number. If you need support, that's support@roofull.com. Connect the drive to the computer. Connect directly to the USB port of the computer. If you connect it to a USB hub, a USB extension cord, it may not run normally. Darn it, that's what I was planning to do, using my hub. For desktop, connect it to the USB port of the motherboard. If you connect it to the frontal USB interface of the motherboard, it cannot run normally on account of insufficient power supply. After connecting, wait a while. It will install a driver by itself. Then an icon will be displayed on my computer, as in the picture. Apple computer does not display the icon before placing a disk in the disk tray. To eject the disk, move the cursor to this icon, right mouse button, click, choose eject in the pull-down window, then the disk tray will be ejected. Then correctly place disk into disk tray with label facing up. Ensure disk is tightened by center spindle motor. You can also press the eject button to eject the disk tray. Apple computers does not display icon. You can directly press the eject button to eject the tray. If you want to burn a disk, you need to buy and download burning software, which is not included, and the disk must be recordable. Play a disk, place the disk in the disk tray. Disk icon will display on the computer. Right-click the mouse button to open it, or choose a player software to open it. Let's try putting in a music CD. Ah, okay. I got a DVD drive showing up. There's the tracks. See what happens when I plug it into my hub. Okay, there we go. That's great. It's reading off my hub, and that allows me to plug my mouse in. So that's good. Let's try playing a track. Play it in the Windows Media Player. Okay, that's about all I can play because I don't want to get a copyright strike. So I know that's playing, and there is an eject button on here. I heard rumors that this will only play on a hard tabletop, not on carpet, and I just had it sitting on the keyboard of my laptop, so I'm glad that I can play it without having to set it down on a hard tabletop. Yeah, I just put that audio CD back in. I wanted to, I gotta turn the sound down again so I don't get a copyright strike. I want to see if it would play if I disconnect that power cord, and it is playing without that power cord, so I only need that one cord. I have downloaded the VLC media player for running DVD movies, and I'm having a lot of problems. It will not play any professionally recorded movies, and it will not play any home recorded movies on DVD. This is what happens. There you go, it keeps popping out. So I think I got the problem figured out using just the data cord. I'm not using the USB end, but I'm using this power end. And fortunately I have two power plugs on the side of my laptop, so I don't have to unplug the power. So this smaller plug will go into the power cord inlet on the laptop. And let's open it up. Put a movie in there. And it doesn't have to be on a hard surface. It could be on carpet. Got it on carpet right now because this table is covered with carpet. Also, in addition to the two USB ports on the back, it also has an SD card slot on the side, and it comes with an SD card adapter, which goes in about halfway. Gonna open up my VLC media player. Top toolbar, click on media, then click on open disk, then click play. Okay, and there we have it. Everything's working now. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.